Okay, so if I hook up that purple wire and I turn on the switch, the engine just dies. So what I was thinking before is there's a blue wire there, right in the center. That one there is, I believe, taped together, or maybe they're not. So that's going to, looks like, to the ignition. And there's a blue wire going to the PTO here too, right there, because if I turn that to the on position, the engine just dies. So I'm gonna have to hook those wires back up there and kind of troubleshoot some stuff there. I could just temporarily wire it up straight to the positive on the battery, but I don't want to do that right now. We'll see. And of course I'm using a brand new flashlight here. Well, new to me. Battery's almost dead. Have a lot of runtime on this guy. So it's the M2R Pro. So Warrior, and of course it's an all light. Works good, and of course fully magnetic. Stick it anywhere I want. Makes it real nice. But this one here is more of a spot beam rated for 300 meters. So doing stuff like this, it still works. Just don't want to get it too close. So that's what I mean about the PTO wiring. So I'm guessing, again, that blue wire is the only thing I have to adjust. I just temporarily clip those wires back together, and we'll have to go from there. And right there you can see a better shot of those blue wires. I can't remember if I joined them together or left them open, but I did tape them off, if that counts. So whatever it is, I'll try the opposite. So we'll just hope those don't touch anything metal. I don't need it letting out any angry pixies under the hood by the gas tank. Well, that seemed to be the issue. So now I gotta go grab some electrical tape, make sure no pixies are touching under there. Nope. Go tape those off, and then technically she's ready to go. I was looking at that, the vapor. That's just from the exhaust, but I kind of don't like that aiming at me when I'm doing that. This here is all floppy and kind of stiff here, so I'll have to do a little work on that, but got to get it working first, which technically she seems pretty good now. Again, that spring I'm going to have to revisit that idea. So, but I kind of want to play in the snow first and make sure, see how she's going to go. We'll see. Pull her out. I got it set all the way low right now, so. Sucking up a little bit of sand, that's for sure. See if I'm going to slip the belt. Wow, she's definitely digging in deep. Can't have her that low. You gotta see if this thing will skyrocket and stuff. I'm just on idle pretty much right now, but yeah, no, it's a little low, but it might be okay still. Slippery when wet. Very slippery when wet. Don't fall on my ass on camera. Actually, yeah, I would be on camera. Getting snow, covered in snow. I don't have the rod on to aim it in different directions yet, so that's bogging her down pretty good. It's going fast. I'm full bore. The wheels are just spinning like crazy behind me. That's what needs some change, that's for sure. Needs some throwing it. A little slower now. Kind of wish this thing had cruise control. Oh, wait. There we go. Oh. On. There we go. There we go. I got cruise control. What am I forgetting about? How's my charging? Still charging. that way with the throttle. I'm getting some vibration now. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to aim that thing down. I'm just getting covered. Halfway. Yeah, that engine drive shaft is definitely wobbling. Yeah, I'm gonna have to probably do something with that. That's not gonna last forever like that. As long as I keep my head away from here, I should be okay, you think. Some of the snow I haven't plowed yet. This belt might actually be okay with the tensioner system. Gonna be some frozen dog shit flying in a few seconds. Wow, it's pretty drifted up in here. Again, I'm going on half throttle right now. I had to spin everywhere then. Probably got enough gas to go around one more time. Get rid of some of this. Go a little slower through that because I'm just idling. A little bit more pixies. I wonder if I should try to float this. Nope, that didn't work. I just lifted up the whole tractor trying that. Off whatever that stump was there pretty good. Well, she's going a little bit higher off the ground now. Yeah, it looks good now. I'm out of focus completely, hey? My idea is to make the dry shaft hopefully last this winter. Only use this machine when the diesel can't cut it, you could say. So I'm not going to spend too much time. Again, I got to change the oil on this thing. This oil's 10 years old. So tires sure work good for cutting the ground. Steering, I mean. Good job here. I think my chute is slowly turning towards the center clearly, hey? It's almost blowing right back into itself. But I mean, what a better way to test it, eh? Bit of a drift there that it missed. Dog shit corner. Oh. Either a frozen piece of dog shit or a rock. Slow down going through here a bit. Oh yeah, there goes a big stick to try her on. Okay, I gotta get this guy to turn. Wrong way. I know this would be a much better video if I had someone filming, wouldn't it? that wouldn't turn by itself if I had the rod hooked up. I just got to put it through here. It takes 2 minutes to put it on, but I wanted to go play tractor. I didn't want to wait. Steering has some good slop in it. I already looked. It's the bottom bushing. Ugh. With that still. I'm not sure where I'm moving the longer, but I'm trying to back up. I'm just spinning the back tires like crazy, by the way. Well, I'm gonna call that probably a pretty good pass, or fail. I mean, okay, I'm gonna call that a pretty good pass. I'm gonna have to get the chute control hooked up before I do much more. I don't want to hit that other trail. Yeah, whatever. Yes, I'm going fast on purpose right now. Hey, maybe I can take out that stump. Nope. Nah, it's just going right back onto the trail. I gotta change the direction of it. You know, this hydrostatic clutch I'm kind of getting used to. I'm almost at the 10-minute mark on this. Oh, I thought it shut off after 10 minutes. I guess not. We'll cut down in here. Look at the deer tracks. Holy shit. Oh, I'm almost getting stuck, but it's still going. Oh wait, I'm reaching for a shifter and I realize I don't have a shifter. Right onto the trail that I just cleaned, hey? That might be okay. I'm spinning. I think I'm cutting a little grass now. I better park her, she's almost out of gas. me through here. Oh, look at all those rocks. She's loving that. She's going to eat good. Now this is going to be a little harder to go through, I think. Maybe not. She doesn't like going that high. I heard a little bit of U-joint bindage there. Ooh, she's drifting kind of sideways on me here. I'm sinking into a hole. Are you kidding me? Oh, wait. That's stuck. Hey, the wheel looks a little bent, eh? It's just a tire. Well, she's officially stuck. She's officially stuck. That's where I'm going to end this video. I think she's good, but of course I need to still do a little TLC on her. That spring will probably have to be tightened. And did I do that, or did the old owner do this? You guys see this? She's pretty beat. But remember, I got that big dual stage right there to put on her next year. Okay.